Look! Look at that!
Finstown!
Hi Finn!
Hi everybody!
What are you doing today?
Crabbing!
No way, what's crabbing?
Crabbing is like fishing for fish, but fishing for crabs.
No way, that sounds super cool. Well, what have you got down here?
A crab wire and a net.
And what do you put in the net?
Sausages.
Ah, so is that so that the crabs can go and eat all the sausages?
Yeah, they'll eat the net and then they can, and then we can wire it back up.
And the crabs all come out of the water and we'll be able to see them?
Yeah.
That sounds super cool. Shall we start putting the sausages in the net?
Yeah. Oh, let's go to the seaside. Thanks for the lift, Dad. We're at the beach. Finally. This is where we go crabbing. Putting water in the bucket to keep the crabs safe.
That's it. Got anything? Oh, there's one.
Get it,
Awesome. Well done, Finn. You got a crab.
Yay!
Well done. Awesome, buddy. Should we try and catch some more? Well done, bud. Awesome. We'll get some clean water in a minute so we can see them. You can pull that in now, Finn. Wonder if you've got anything this time. Keep pulling. There's one. Wow. Finn.
Oh my gosh, they're all angry.
They're huge, look.
The few ones are really angry and they're all angry. Aren't they?
See his face, look.
Oh my god!
Finn, give me a high five, bud. Well done. It's crabbing fun. How cool is this?
We got two ginormous crabs in that mate. Right!
Mummy, are you watching? There's a crab on there. It's huge. Whoa! Hold it to the camera. It's getting away. It's getting away. Get it. Well done, Mummy. Oh, unlucky, Mummy. Look. Look at that. I think you owe Mummy a massive high five there because Mummy was awesome. Well done, Mummy. Look, fish, we look in the bucket and see it. Wow, look. It's huge. Well done, Finn. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
How many crabs did you catch?
15.
What do we need to do now?
Let them go home.
Empty the bucket then, put it down. Put it down.
Oh my gosh, they're not happy at us. They're not
Look, they're going to go all the way back to the sea now, look. Look at them. Look at this one. Look at that one. Look how big this one is, Finn. Look how big he is. Look at his eyes. You can see his eyes. There he goes. Look, going home. Off he goes. Look, off home.
He's going. Say hi to your iPhone.